Let us try to understand the gateway of tally. Okay, so accounting software stores data in two parts. So that is master data and non-master data. Okay, so master data generally ledger and groups, cost centers in the accounting master data I'm telling you about. So in accounting, ledger names, ledgers and groups and cost centers, budgets and voucher types. So those are the master data. And coming to inventory master data, stock items, how many stock items we are dealing with. Okay, types, stock item types, not the number. Stock groups, so units of measure. So godowns, how many godowns we are maintaining. Okay, and the categories, reorder levels, voucher types. These are the master data. And coming to the non-master data, so all types of transactions are recorded in any of the types like contra, credit note, debit note, journal, payments, purchases, receipts. So these are the transactions in accounting. And coming to the inventory, delivery note, material in and material out, physical stock, receipt note, rejections in. So these are the inventory vouchers. So these are the non-master data. So in master data, they create heads. Okay. So coming to the gateway of tally, here we have masters. So accounting information, inventory information. So to create or alter financial accounting masters like ledgers, groups, vouchers, accounting types. See, accounting information. Okay. So if you want to create a group or if you want to create a ledger, okay, then you have to go with this option. Okay. Next, coming to the inventory information, same thing, to create or alter inventory accounting masters like stock items, stock groups. Sorry. So to select this inventory information, I is highlighted here. We can just simply press I. So stock groups, stock items, units of measure, voucher types, statutory information. So this is the inventory information. So transaction. Transactions, accounting vouchers and inventory vouchers to create financial transactions which affect trial balance. Okay, here we have to enter. So payment. See, transactions, contra. Here it is contra. F5 for payment, F6 for receipt, and F7 for journal, and F8 for sales, and F9 for purchases. Okay, so these are the transactions we have to enter. Okay, which affects the trial balance. So inventory vouchers to create a pure inventory vouchers, pure inventory transactions that does not affect trial balance. Okay, you have to understand this. So in the inventory, T is highlighted. T. Okay. So stock journal, rejection in, rejection out, indent number, stock journal, delivery note, receipt note. So physical stock. So material in, material out. So it does not affect the trial balance. Okay. And I'm pressing escape. Utilities, import of data and banking. So to import data from another tally company, so we have to use this by pressing O. Okay. Next, banking. To perform banking related activities like bank reconciliation, check printing, and to view bank transaction reports. Okay. This is the option we have to select. So once if we made an entry purchasing an asset or goods by paying through bank, okay, obviously bank will come. So once if you want to check the bank, how many bank transactions we did so far, and for the banking reconciliation statement, we can check purely in this option. So this is the banking option. Check printing, you can print the check also. So check register, bank reconciliation, deposit slip. Deposit slip, check deposit slip, cash deposit slip, payment advice, post dated summary. See, if you select the option, the alphabet is highlighted with the red mark, red color, right? So you have to press this key. You can simply use the keyboard. Okay. So next, the reports, balance sheet, profit and loss account, stock summary, and ratio analysis. See, these things will automatically can generate once we enter the transaction. Okay. See, this is the balance sheet. Just press the B. So liabilities and assets, current assets and capital account loans. So there is no amount because I didn't enter anything, right? So if we enter the transaction, so whatever the affected accounts, whatever the account reports, affected reports, so all will be entered at once. So no need to enter again in the balance sheet. Okay. What you have to do is to just the past journal entry and see. So profit and loss account, just press P. So this is the profit and loss account. Stock summary, S. So finally, we'll come up with the closing stock. And ratio analysis, R. See, quick ratio, current ratio, debt equity ratio, gross profit, net profit, operating cost ratio. So turnovers, see, due till date. Once you enter the transaction, it will all be filled with the data. Okay, no need to calculate manually. Display. In the display menu, we'll have trial balance, day book, accounts books, statements of accounts, inventory books, statements of inventory, cash and fund flow, receipts and payment, list of accounts, exceptions reports. See, let us see day book by pressing D. This is the day book. Particulars, voucher type, voucher number, debit amount and credit amount. Okay. And so coming to the F11 features, just F11, there is no underline, and F12 for configuration. So to set the various features on and off, so accounting features, I'm just selecting C once. So in the company features, accounting features, inventory features, and statutory and taxation features are there, and add-on features also there. So but if you press A, we'll enter into the accounting features. Okay. So here we have maintain accounts only. We have to press yes. And integrate accounts and inventory. It is showing no, right? So if you want to integrate accounts and inventory, then you have to select S in the, one second. See, once I pressed only accounts only, then it is showing accounting information and accounting vouchers. So there is no sign of mentioning the inventory information in the masters. Okay, previously it has inventory information as well. So once again, I'm going to the features F11 and the accounting features. No, and I'm enabling S over here. Okay. Yes. So I accepted. Now inventory features appeared here. So I'm just pressing escape. So accounting information and inventory information. Okay. So in the features, so it enables or disables the need of a entry of the transaction, depends on the nature of the business. Okay. So here we have to select which option we have to go with inventory or only accounts. Okay. Here also outstanding management. Okay. Maintain bill-wise details. Yes. So here maintain payrolls. You can maintain payrolls as well in the cost profit center management. If you say yes, so the payroll information will also be available. And even in the allowing invoice, record purchases in invoice format. Okay. So these are the features we have to enter which option is suitable to the company. Okay. So as a junior accountant, no need. But if you know where to alter, where to modify it, so once you become a senior, so we can simply deal with these things. Okay. Enable check printing and alter banking features. So these options will allow the accountant to do the necessary things. Okay. Inventory features. So integrated accounts with inventory. It is S. Allow zero value entries. Okay, one second. I'll see. Once I enter no over there, here also it is showing no. Right. So accounting features, sorry, inventory features. I'm giving S and I accepted it. So once again, I'm cross checking with the accounting features. So see, previously it is showing no. Now it is showing yes, because even in the inventory features, if you mention S over there, it will appear here as well. So if the company is dealing with the inventory, or if you are as a junior accountant dealing with only inventory, you are allowed to modify the entries in the inventory only. Okay. So if you are allowed to do only accounting, so they'll disable the inventory features. So they're not allow you to modify those features. Likewise, statutory and taxation options, like enable value added tax, VAT. So if you want to enable the VAT, you just have to say yes over here. Enable excise tax, enable service tax, enable TDS. It depends on the uh, business concern. Okay, enable tax collected at source. Okay, whatever the options are related to the statutory and taxation, we have to alter over here. Add-on features. So as of now, we do not have any add-on features. So in shop, Control S. So we have add-on features over here: office productivity, alter and control, security add-ons, and outstanding management, business verticals, customized invoice. So it depends on the requirement. We have to purchase the add-ons. So once we purchase those add-ons, so it will get enabled in the add-on features. Okay. So this is the gateway of Tally.